What is up, guys, and welcome to another edition of the Market Marauder Show. Being the market, one trade at a time. If you're new to Market Marauder Show, it's an investment channel, helps you to find the best deals in the market. That's something you're interested in. Make sure that thumbs up. Definitely helps the YouTube algorithm promote the videos. Alright, so we'll be going over my top penny stocks under $1. So let's jump into it. I hope everybody has a great week on this week coming up. So first one on here is ticker sign PTN. We can see that they are bearish. Moving average 10 is below the moving average 50. VWAP is below moving average 10. But they did end on a positive note, going up 1 cent after hours and at 76 cents. So overall, I think they have potential to continue to go up from here. Definitely keep a close eye on this one for early morning movers since they ended on a positive note for last week, ending at 76 cents. So going to keep a close eye out on ticker sign PTN. Next one here with ticker sign OGEN. Which is bearish as well. Moving average 10 is below 50-100, and VWAP is below moving average 10. So they ended at 96 cents for last week. Now they will have to go up and test this level right here, which is $1.01. So hopefully they can test that for next week. But then overall, they did end at 98 cents to end the week, so had a little positive rally after hours. So hopefully that will continue, and they'll test that $1.01 level. Then going to be looking to test this $1.03 level, and then who knows where they can go from there. So we're going to keep a close eye on ticker sign OGEN for next week. Next up, we have ticker sign ITP. Which is bullish. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100, so that's this red line, which is above the 50 and 100, which is this yellow, and this purple line. VWAP is below moving average 10, so hopefully that can jump up to confirm this bullish move upward. But they did end on a positive note in at 74 cents for the week, so had a 1.74% increase, so that's very good. I'm going to keep a close eye on them because of that. Now, if this VWAP doesn't change, maybe some more oscillation going on from this one, from some sideways trading, probably from this 76-cent level to the 70-cent level. So just bear that in mind. If this VWAP does not go back up, then it may continue at the same 74-cent price. Next up, we have ticker sign GPL, which is bearish. Moving average 10 is below 50 and 100, which is purple and yellow line. VWAP is starting to go back up. Did have a small rally after hours, 1.34% rally to end at 83 cents. It will have to go and test next week this 83-cent level right here. So basically testing the moving average 100 is where it ended for next week. So we'll see on Monday if when the market opens it will break past this and then start a bullish upward trend. So definitely keep a close eye on ticker sign GPL for next week. Now, bear in mind, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you what stocks to invest into or not to invest into. This is all for educational purposes. Also, if you'd like to sign up for Webull and get 2 free stocks when you deposit $100 or more, I have a link down below in the description where you can do so. And that is the perspective of where this is from. So if you're going to set up your charts, I'm using the 30-minute interval VWAP, moving average 10, 50, and 100, which are all located at this indicators tab right here to my right. Alright, so next one on here, we have ticker sign CYRN, and they are bullish. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100. And VWAP, VWAP seems to be kind of stagnant on this one as well. So maybe some more oscillation on this name as well. So we see the bottom is around this 91-cent level, top being around this 94-cent level. We could see it's just been oscillating between that. So hopefully the VWAP can go back up. I think it will, just based on the fact that it did have a positive upward trend on here going up to 94 cents. So definitely going to be keeping a close eye on ticker sign CYRN for an early morning mover for next week. Next up, we have ticker sign ACST, which is bearish. Moving average 10 is below 50 and 100. VWAP is below moving average 10 as well. So definitely going to be looking at that. And then we're going to see how it performs for next week. Did end at 68 cents, so not really too much movement from its close to where it currently is. And then we can see on here that it kind of has fallen down as well, but it will have to test this level right here, which seems to be a convergence line around 70 cents. So if it shoots up 2 more cents, it'll be around this convergence line and then have a confirmation of a bullish upward trend. But in order for that to happen, definitely going to have to look to see if this VWAP can shoot back up. If not, then more oscillation is going to come from this one, from the 69-cent level to the 65-cent level. So that seems to be the range where the price is oscillating or fluctuating. And then lastly, we have ticker sign ADXS, which is bearish as well. Moving average 10 is below 50 and 100, and VWAP is below moving average 10. So bearish on both, but that doesn't mean that the stock overall is bad. We can see that they had a small rally after hours, 0.77% rally to end at 85 cents. But they will have to go and test this 86-cent level for next week. So definitely going to be seeing how that performs as well. Seems to be a convergence between the moving average 100 and 50 around that level, which is only 1 cent above where it currently closed. So if we see this VWAP shoot up, maybe an early morning breakout for this one on ticker sign ADXS. Now, make sure you drop a comment down below. Tell me what stocks you guys are looking at for next week. If there's a stock you want me to review, make sure you drop in the comment down below as well. Do have a Patreon page, which is located above at the top left corner or right corner, depending on how you're watching this. So make sure you go check that out. I do have live streams. It is a private group, so and it does have a Discord as well. So I know some people have been asking about Discord, but it does come with a Discord as well. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you check out the link down below. Good luck to everybody out there trading this week, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.